Hello, friends! Are you ready to sing your ABCs with tasty, colorful foods? Yay! A is for apple, red and round. B is for banana, peel it down. C is for cupcake, soft and sweet. D is for donut, yummy treat. Say B, C, D, come and say foodie letters, hip hooray. E is for elderberry, bright purple heart. F is for French fries, crispy bite. G is for grapes that roll away. H is for honey, golden day. E is for elderberry, bright purple heart. F is for French fries, crispy bite. G is for grapes that roll away. H is for honey, golden day. I am for ice cream, cold and fun. Sly is for juice for everyone. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L for lemon pie, shiny sheen. I, J, K, L, say it loud. Smart little learners make us proud. L for mango, juicy delight. N for noodles, twisty bite. O for orange, bright like sun. P for pancakes, flip for fun. M N O P, sing with glee. Learning's fun for you and me. Q for quinoa, tiny and small. R for raspberry, best of all. S for strawberry, sweet and red. T for taco, yum ahead. Q R S T, clap your hands. Learning letters, so much grand. U for upside down cake, flip high. V for vanilla, soft as sky. W for watermelon, red and green. X for Christmas cookie, sweet